John, co-founder of Dad's Hat. Good to see you, my man.
Good to see you too, Mike. Thanks for being here.
I guess we should start with a hat before we talk about whiskey. Why do you call it Dad's Hat?
Well, you're wearing one of the great iconic American symbols. I mean, this hat screams Americana. A lot of folks don't know, but the original Stetson factory was in Philadelphia. And one of the things that we wanted to do with the name of our company was to bring back iconic American symbolism.
There you go.
And when things were made in this country, things were made well, we wanted to make rye whiskey in a pre-prohibition style. So we grabbed the symbol of Dad's Hat.
You also told me that Pennsylvania is maybe the birthplace of rye whiskey?
Pennsylvania was the largest producer of rye whiskey in the world, pre-prohibition. The last original distillery shut down here in our state in 1988. Dad's Hat started distilling in 2011. We were the first distillery to come back after the demise of Michter's, and we have been producing world-class Pennsylvania-style rye whiskey ever since.
Delivering to 23 states. That's really good work in just over 11.
Thank you.
Close to 12 years. Bristol, down on, what's the main drag? Mill Street?
Mill Street.
You have a tasting little room there?
We have a tasting room on Mill Street. It's open Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
I hear it's packed.
Packed. And what we're doing there is we're serving world-class cocktails with Dad's Hat whiskey. Plus, we also have the ability to be able to sell any alcoholic beverage that's manufactured or distilled in the state of Pennsylvania. So we have Pennsylvania beers, Pennsylvania wines, Pennsylvania vodka.
What's it called? Dad's Hat?
It's called just called Dad's Hat Tasting Room.
Good to see you, brother.
Good to see you.
Thank you for having us in.
Thank you.
More of the 215 in just a bit.